All right, today we will be going over the Genova Organic Acid Test Kit. The first thing you want to do is make sure that all the supplies are in the kit. You should have the following: a plastic vial, a pipette, an absorbent pad, an ice pack, the test requisition form, your personal health assessment, a biohazard bag, the specimen collection kit, and then your FedEx clinical lab pack. Before starting the collection, please read through the instructions carefully, as you will see things need to be done before taking the sample, such as restrict intake of water to 3 8-ounce glasses or less for 24 hours. Make sure that no more than 8 ounces of water is consumed after 8 p.m. of the evening prior to the collection. When you are ready to take your urine sample, write your first name and date of birth, as well as gender, on the date collection on the plastic vial, as well as the test request form. Make sure you empty your bladder before going to bed. You will want to collect any urine, if any, during the night, as well as the morning urine, into a clear container. Use the pipette to transfer the urine into the 12 milliliter mark vial. Do not overfill. Dispose of the remaining urine. When done, freeze the vial and the ice pack. When you are ready to ship the specimen, place the frozen ice pack and the absorbent pad into the biohazard bag. At this point, make sure to complete both the test requisition form and the personal health assessment form. You can fold and place these inside the pocket of the biohazard bag when completed. Seal the biohazard bag and place it into the specimen collection kit and close the box. A good checklist to have before sending off the specimen is to, on the vial, 1, make sure your name, date of birth, gender, and the date of collection is written on the cap and is screwed on tightly. Make sure that the vial with the urine in it is frozen along with the ice pack. Make sure the test requisition form and personal health assessment forms are complete and that the payment is included in the box. Be sure to ship your specimen within 24 hours of collection, and understand that you can only ship Monday through Friday. Drop off your test kits to your nearest FedEx drop-off location or call them to schedule a pickup. If you have any further questions on how to use the Genova Organic Acid Test, don't hesitate to give us a call and we will be happy to assist you.